Good morning, my friends. My name is Kasper. Before I will show you my video, very educational and you can save money. Please don't forget to subscribe over here. Press that bell button so you get notified in my next video. And don't forget to like or comment over here. I will appreciate it very much. Next is my video. So after you put or spray the degreaser, see, it's very good. It cleans, and after that wipe it with this. See that one? Wipe it and see that one? It's good. It removes the stain in your oven. See that? It's really very good. And then from there, you wipe it. See? That's very good. See? And that's a few days or last week's stain, and see how easy that is. It is very good. I'm impressed. I will recommend this product. Is it effective for stain? And it smells good. It's an orange scented. It's not like the other strong cleaner that you cough, you know, like some other strong was this like in the Philippines, very strong, that you have to leave it in the bathroom for a few hours before you can clean it, because it's not very healthy for your lungs. But this one, this is very good. This one is very good also. I will let you know next time if this degreaser and spot remover, if this is also very good. Because my friends, I will recommend this for 99 cents. You cannot beat the price. And this cloth also, very nice and soft. And for just 99 cents, you cannot beat the price. You can wash it over and over. And I'm gonna show you next time how I'm gonna clean this that smells for a few days if you want to use this to wipe in your kitchen. Okay, my friends? I will show you next time now more of the kitchen cleaner. My friends, don't forget to subscribe if you're not in my group yet, and hit that bell button so you get notified in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day. Bye.